Don't mess up your fishing pole.
Here he is. No, don't hit him. Well, let him go. Help Daddy let him go. Set your pole down on the ground. Okay. Now hold him in your hand and let him go. Here, throw him back overboard. Hold your hands like this. Now lay him in your hands. You throw him over. Okay, ready? Okay, now throw him over.
Oh no!
Okay, it's okay.
Where's he going? Where's he going?
Let him go. Here we go.